Crimson Horizon, Emerald Sky. The title alone evoked a sense of mystery and wonder, a fitting prelude to the journey that lay ahead. The crimson sun dipped below the jagged horizon, painting the sky in hues of red and orange, a sight both beautiful and foreboding. As the sun set, it cast long, eerie shadows across the alien landscape, revealing the otherworldly features and colors that made this planet so unique. Captain Eva Sanchez gazed out from the cockpit of the exploration vessel, her eyes scanning the horizon for any signs of movement or life. She had been on many missions before, but this one felt different, more significant. Her brow creased with a mixture of awe and apprehension, a reflection of the weight of responsibility she felt for her crew and their mission. This planet, Kepler 186f, shimmered with an ethereal beauty that was both captivating and intimidating. The vibrant colors of the landscape seemed almost too perfect, like a painting brought to life. Emerald green vegetation carpeted the rolling hills, swaying gently in the breeze. The alien plant life was unlike anything they had ever seen before, with shapes and colors that defied earthly logic. Above them, twin moons hung heavy in the twilight sky, casting a soft, silvery light over the landscape. The celestial view was dramatic, almost surreal, adding to the sense of otherworldliness. The airlock hissed, releasing the four-person crew onto the planet's surface. The sound was a stark reminder of the thin barrier that separated them from the unknown. Each step they took felt heavy, a constant reminder of the gravity that was a fraction stronger than Earth's. The crew moved cautiously, aware of the potential dangers that lurked in the shadows. Their mission was simple: explore, collect samples, and search for any signs of life. They used high-tech exploration gear to analyze the soil, plants, and atmosphere, hoping to find clues about the planet's history and potential for supporting life. Little did they know, they were about to find more than they bargained for. As they ventured deeper into the alien terrain, the tension in the air grew palpable. The crew's futuristic technology beeped and whirred, detecting anomalies that hinted at something extraordinary just beyond their reach. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a mysterious alien structure, partially hidden by the dense vegetation. The structure was unlike anything they had ever seen, with intricate designs and an aura of ancient wisdom. The crew approached cautiously, their hearts pounding with a mix of fear and excitement. The alien symbols on the structure glowed faintly, as if responding to their presence. Captain Sanchez reached out to touch the symbols, feeling a strange energy coursing through her fingertips. It was a moment of connection, a bridge between two worlds. The crew exchanged glances, realization dawning on their faces. They had discovered something truly remarkable, something that could change their understanding of the universe forever. The journey had just begun, and the Crimson Horizon Emerald Sky held many more secrets waiting to be uncovered. Whispers in the ruins. Days turned into weeks as the crew of the meticulously surveyed Kepler 186f. They unearthed remnants of ancient cities, crumbling structures that hinted at a civilization long vanished. What happened to them? Eva pondered the question, her fingers tracing the intricate carvings on a toppled pillar. The answer came in the form of a low, guttural growl echoing from the depths of a ruined temple. It wasn't the sound of a wild animal. It was something far more sentient, far more unsettling. The growl morphed into a series of clicks and whistles, an eerie symphony that seemed to vibrate deep within their bones. They were being watched. Stowaway among the stars. With their mission complete and a growing sense of unease clinging to them, the crew of the spacecraft prepared for their journey back to Earth. They had spent months exploring the distant exoplanet Kepler 186f, a world teeming with mysteries and potential discoveries. Yet, as they wrapped up their mission, an inexplicable tension filled the air. The crew meticulously went through their departure protocols, ensuring every system was functioning perfectly. The spacecraft's sleek interior buzzed with the hum of advanced technology, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Prepared for departure. As the last of the cargo was loaded and the engines hummed to life, the crew members took their positions, ready to leave the enigmatic planet behind. The cargo hold was filled with samples and data that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. None of them noticed the faint shimmer of displacement near the airlock. It was a subtle disturbance, easily overlooked amidst the flurry of activity. The airlock, a marvel of advanced engineering, stood as a silent sentinel, unaware of the invisible intruder. An unseen entity, cloaked in a shroud of advanced technology, slipped aboard unnoticed. This being, with its advanced cloaking abilities, had been observing the crew for some time, waiting for the perfect moment to make its move. The journey back to Earth was long, filled with the monotony of hyperspace travel. Days blended into nights as the spacecraft hurtled through the vast expanse of space. The crew settled into a routine, their minds occupied with the data they had collected and the promise of new discoveries. The crew, eager to analyze their findings and perhaps put some distance between themselves and the unsettling whispers of Kepler 186f, spent hours in the ship's lab. They pored over the data, discussing their findings and theorizing about the planet's secrets. The excitement of discovery was tempered by a lingering sense of unease. They remained oblivious to the silent passenger they carried. The entity moved silently through the ship, its presence undetected by the crew or the ship's advanced sensors. It observed them, learning their routines and understanding their technology, a passenger with abilities beyond their wildest imaginations. This being possessed knowledge and technology far surpassing human capabilities. Its intentions were unknown, but its presence on the ship hinted at a deeper mystery, one that the crew was yet to uncover. The mind's eye, unveiled. Dr. Masaru Tanaka, the mission's biologist, was the first to notice the anomaly. He had always been fascinated by the mysteries of the universe, dedicating his life to uncovering the secrets of alien flora. His meticulous nature and keen observation skills made him the perfect candidate for this mission. He had been studying the plant samples, marveling at their complex bioluminescence, when a wave of dizziness washed over him. The sensation was unlike anything he had ever experienced before. It was as if his mind was being pulled into another dimension, a realm where reality and imagination intertwined. In his mind's eye, he saw flashes of images, alien landscapes, and strange symbols that seemed to burn into his consciousness. These visions were vivid and intense, leaving him both awestruck and terrified. The alien landscapes were unlike anything he had ever seen, with towering structures and vibrant colors that defied the laws of physics. It was as if something was trying to communicate, to share its thoughts and memories. The symbols seemed to convey a message, a story of a civilization that had once thrived but was now on the brink of extinction. Dr. Tanaka felt a profound connection to these beings, as if their fate was somehow intertwined with his own. He wasn't alone. Soon, other crew members began experiencing the same unsettling phenomenon. Each of them saw different aspects of the alien world, but the underlying message was the same. They were being shown a glimpse into a reality that was both beautiful and tragic, a world that had been ravaged by time and conflict. Vivid dreams bled into their waking hours, filled with images of a dying planet, a desperate struggle for survival, and a deep-seated resentment towards humanity's insatiable hunger for exploration. The crew members found themselves questioning their mission, wondering if their presence had somehow triggered these visions. Were they responsible for the suffering of this alien race? Or were they merely witnesses to a tragedy that had already unfolded? They had stumbled upon a truth more terrifying than they could have imagined. They were not alone in the universe, and they had brought something back with them. The realization sent chills down their spines as they grappled with the implications of their discovery. The alien presence on their ship was a constant reminder of the unknown, a silent observer that seemed to be watching their every move. The crew knew that their lives would never be the same, and that the knowledge they had gained came with a heavy price.